Curriculum vitae CV is Latin for course of life. In contrast, resume is French for summary. Both CVs and resumes are tailored for the specific job company you are applying to. It is the standard representation of credentials within academia. The full CV is only used when applying for academic positions in four-year institutions. If you need help creating a resume or cover letter, start with one of the dozens of professionally designed resume and cover letter templates that are available in Word. Go to File, then go to New. In the search box, type resume or cover letter. Double-click the template you want to use. Replace the placeholder text with your own information. Facebook, LinkedIn. To write the best possible student CV, we recommend structuring it in this order. Contact details. Credit, Mushni Shutterstock. Personal statement. Education and qualifications. Employment history. Main achievements. Other skills. Hobbies and interests. References. How to write CV in English. 8 useful tips. Keep it short, but not too short. Your CV should be 1 to 2 sides of A4 paper. Use active verbs. Fill in the gaps. Make sure it's up to date. Don't exaggerate or lie. Spend time on the layout. Check for mistakes. Include a cover letter. How to describe yourself in 1 word with sample answers. Dynamic. Versatile. Analytical. Innovative. Creative. Team player. Ambitious. Smart worker. You can use the below phrases to introduce yourself. I don't think we've met. I think we've already met. Nice to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Let me introduce myself. I'd like to introduce myself.